Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your login with Spotify, complete guide step by step clearly. If you've forgotten your Spotify login credentials, don't worry. First, navigate to the Spotify login page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Then click on the Send button. In a moment, check your email inbox for a password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, click on the link provided. You will be redirected to a page to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Re-enter the new password to confirm. After completing this, click on Reset Password. Now, return to the Spotify login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click Log In. If you successfully log in, you have regained access to your account. However, if you encounter any issues, you can reach out to Spotify support. They can assist you with any account recovery concerns. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth recovery process. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite music again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.